Hello everyone, today I'll be discussing with you the power of wallpaper. Elevating room decoration. Wallpaper plays a vital role in room decoration, transforming a space from ordinary to extraordinary. Not only does it add visual interest and texture, but it also helps to create a specific ambience and mood. With a vast array of designs, patterns, and colors to choose from, wallpapers can be used to enhance the style of a room, whether it's modern or traditional. Number 1. Aesthetic benefits. Visual interest. Wallpaper adds visual interest to a room, creating a focal point which draws the eye. Second, texture. Wallpaper can add texture to a room, creating a tactile experience that enhances the overall ambience. Color. Wallpaper can be used to introduce a new color scheme to the room or to enhance the existing one. Number 2. Design benefits. Style enhancement. Wallpapers can be used to enhance the style of a room, whether it's modern, traditional, or something different. Pattern play. Wallpaper can be used to create a sense of pattern play, adding depth and visual interest to the room. Themed decor. Wallpaper can be used to create a themed decor such as a nursery or a home office. On number 3 are practical benefits. They hide imperfections. Wallpapers can be used to hide imperfections on walls such as cracks or uneven surfaces. They're easy to clean. Many wallpapers are easy to clean and maintain, making them a practical choice for busy households. Number 3. Durable. Wallpapers can be a durable and long-lasting solution, with many designs lasting for years to come. On the fourth point, we have types of wallpapers. There are printed wallpapers, which feature a design or pattern that is printed onto the paper. Neutral wallpapers feature natural materials such as grass, cloth, or silk. Textured wallpapers features a raised or embossed design, adding depth and visual interest to the room. That's it for today. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below which other topics would you like me to discuss. Thank you.